Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Children, once again, I welcome you all in my SST class. Children, as you all know that already we had finished chapter 16. Okay? Now in this class, we will discuss a new chapter. The name of the chapter is Discovery of Fire. Okay, students, it's a new chapter, chapter 17, Discovery of Fire. Okay? In this lesson, children, what we have to discuss? We have to discuss about early man, how early man lived, the tools he used, uses of fire for early man. Okay, students, these are the three topics which we have to discuss in this chapter. Okay. The life of early man was very different from the life we led. Children, the life of early man was very different. Okay, from the life we led. Okay, the life which we are leading, it is very simple, and the life of early man was very difficult. Okay, children, the life of early man was very different from the life we led. He used to live in jungle. Okay, so his life was very difficult. Okay, our life is very simple. He had to face many difficulties. Early man had to face many difficulties. Okay, he had to face many problems. Early man lived in jungles which were full of wild animals. Children, early man lived in jungles. But we people live in jungles? No, we people live in our houses. Okay, but early man used to live in jungles which were full of wild animals. Okay, so their life was very difficult. Okay, he lived in caves and on trees. You can see in the picture. Early man used to live in the caves. Here you can see one man is sleeping inside the cave and one man is sleeping here on the trees. Okay, you can see. So early man lived in caves and on trees. Okay, he did not have any weapons to protect himself from these animals. Children, early man have not any weapons to protect themselves from animals. Okay, they had no any kind of weapons. Okay, for protecting themselves from animals, from wild animals. He had no clothes. He used to wear the skins of animals or barks and leaves of trees. Children, early man had no clothes to wear. Okay, he used to wear the skin of animals, as you can see in the picture. Early man is wearing skin of animal. Okay, or barks and leaves of trees. Also they wear barks. It means outer covering of a tree. Okay. Also they wear barks and leaves of trees. They had no clothes. Okay. To wear. So that's why they used to wear the skins of animals or barks and leaves of trees. Okay. He had another difficulty, children. The life of early man was not simple. He had lots of problems. He had lots of difficulties in their lives. Okay. He had another difficulty. He did not know how to grow food for himself. Children, early man did not know how to grow food for himself. Okay, food is very essential now. So they did not know how to grow food for himself. He ate fruits and roots of plants. That's why they used to eat fruits and roots of plants when he felt hungry. Okay, when they felt hungry, they used to eat fruits and roots of plants. You can see in the picture. They are eating fruits and roots. Okay. Sometimes he killed wild animals and ate their flesh raw. Children, sometimes he also killed wild animals, as you can see in the picture. Sometimes they also killed wild animals and ate their flesh raw. It means uncooked. Okay. But it was not easy to dig roots and kill animals with bare hands, children. But it was not an easy task. Okay. It was very, very difficult to dig roots and kill animals with bare hands. It means without any weapons. Okay, it was very, very difficult for them for digging roots and for killing animals with their bare hands. Okay, without any weapons. So children, their life was very, very difficult. So early man used stones with sharp edges. That's why children, early man used stones. As you can see in the picture. In the picture, you can see different kinds of stones. Okay. So they used stones with sharp edges. Okay. Sharp point. He used these stones to hunt animals. Children, to kill animals, they use stones of different edges. Okay. He also used sharp wooden sticks as tools. Children, also they uses, here you can see in the picture, also they uses wooden sticks as tools, okay, as weapons. Later he learned to tie sharp stones to a wooden stick. Children, later they learned to tie sharp stones to a wooden stick, as you can see in the picture. Later, early man used these weapons for killing animals. They used to throw it on the animals, okay, for killing them. Now, he could kill an animal without going near it. Children, as you can see in the picture, here you can see early man had throw it on the deer and he killed this deer, okay, with his tool, okay. Now he could kill an animal without going near it, okay. These stone tools brought a big change in the life of early man. Children, these stone tools brought a big change in the life of early man. Now their life becomes some simple, okay, little bit simple, okay. As you can see in the picture, these are the stone tools of early man, okay. So children, these stone tools brought a big change in the life of early man. Now they could kill an animal without going near it, okay. So children, in the next class, we will discuss another topic, learning to make fire. Okay. So, that's all for today children. Thanks for watching my video. Bye-bye.